Hey guys, Thunder E here, and welcome to our review of Sense 7 on the HTC One M9. The One M9 is available, at least while you're watching this, right at the release of this video. You can go ahead and pre-order this device, but you want to know what Sense 7 really is and what it has now fully packed in this device. So I'm going to go through a couple of things and what it is, how it also mixes with Android 5.0 and all that fun stuff. So you still have the ability to double tap to wake, which you found with the One M8, but you can see because it's combined with Android 5.0, you do have, of course, the expanded new what do you call it again, notification center, which you can go into each different notification there. So let's go ahead and unlock our device. So one thing you'll notice is that it still looks like Sense. It's got that Sense 6.0 general look. So you do have, of course, it comes preload these. This is the new widget here. This is what you call their this is almost their location tag widget, where you can change. It changes with your location. So if you're out, you can custom change it too. So if you're out, you have different types of applications. If you're home, and if you're at work. So you can see here we have, let's go to work. This is what we have for work applications: mail, calendar, Scribble, Drive, so on and so forth. Now, this is something I personally didn't use that much because I really don't need that, but you know, something that can help you when you go from location to location. If you're out, and say out meaning just out of the house with friends or maybe a certain location. Now, in this widget, you have the ability to customize each. You have basically 6 apps sections. You have apps that you plug in, and then you have downloads. So this is where all your downloads go to, at least so they're not on the home screen as you usually will have them in there. And then you have suggestions showing you some new applications you can actually use. Now you can also still customize this a little bit more and go into the smart folders, personalize the home screen more, set locations and things like that. Or you can just take the whole widget away if you choose to. So that's the other option there. Now, if you go into the app tray, again, the app tray styling is still the same. You will find with your standard app tray for the for HTC devices with Sense. So in Sense 7.0, you still have the ability for custom, alphabetical, and most recent. Now, the other thing that's still here, which, you know, some people do like and some don't, like me, is BlinkFeed. BlinkFeed is a little bit more streamlined. It's not as overbearing and overpopulated as it was, so I do like its fresher approach. And you can see it's pulling from my different social media here, and you can see how it pulls all those different things, you know, from different social media aspects, from my Facebook, from my Twitter. I don't have my email or anything else, or any other websites pulled into it, but it does a nice job, a much better job with that here with BlinkFeed. So you do have BlinkFeed, you have those abilities there. If we scroll, swipe down and pull down the notification center, this is the new notification center with, of course, Android 5.0. A couple of things already placed in notification center for you. You have your mobile hotspot, you have your flashlight, so you can actually turn the flashlight on. Is it on? For some reason it's not turning on, don't know why. You have airplane mode, you have, of course, ringer, silent, vibrate, normal, and then you have extreme power save mode, which I'm not going to turn on even though my batteries are 14%. Brightness, auto rotate, power saver, which I will turn on, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and then of course your mobile connectivity. You also have HTC Connect, which helps you connect wirelessly to multiple devices. You can either pull down from the notification center to do that, or 3-finger swipe up will pull that up for you. So that's something. Again, if you have wireless play devices, which I don't have any right now that's connected, this will actually do that for you, and do that for you very well. Now we go into the settings, look at a couple more things here in the settings. You can see here, like I said, we have that. We also have some personalization, which we'll get to with the themes. Going down, well, let's just take a look at what version of Android we're running. In software and software information, we are running Android 5.0. 5.0.2 with Sense UI there, of course, running. So this is, you know, everything looks really Sense related more than anything else. Now, of course, we do have better power management. You know, it's 13%. You can do battery optimization. Right now, we're running at 23 hours battery life. That's one thing I have to just plug in quickly. Battery life on this is very, very, very good. And that's something that they've done a good job here. Now, the other aspect I want to talk about is also BoomSound. So the BoomSound now has Dolby Audio, digital audio in here. And it's got theater and music mode, and it's pretty much a simple toggle. Now theater mode gives you a much louder broad listening, and then music mode is very specific. Now this will work with the BoomSound speakers as well as your headphones, so it doesn't matter what you're using. You can easily toggle in between these two to give you the best sound optimization there, and that's something that a lot of people like. Now in terms of customized themes, if you look very closely, you can see how my theme background matches basically my Superman wallpaper. You can see my dialer has a blue, same thing with that. All across the board, it's the same Superman theme everywhere. Now I can change this to any theme or even customize a specific theme by holding down on the home screen. That takes me to change or edit theme. And you can see I have soups, I have basketball there. And then from catalog, which are other people's themes out there, you can see this into space. There's traction. So let's do Nimbus here. Let's show you what it is. So I can select Nimbus and I can download it. That's from a HTC, but I can download that theme if I choose to, and then customize the look and feel of that theme. So while that is downloading, I'll actually show you how it actually to set up themes. So you go to add. It's a very quick process, and they are right by saying that. I'm going to choose an image. I'm going to go to let's go to gallery, and let's go to gallery. Let's go to albums. Let's go to download. Let's do Green Lantern, since it's also very wide color gamut. Now we can also change the SKU if you want to. I'll just quickly hit next and customize the wallpaper there. Done. Now it's going to now recalculate once you hit next again. It's actually going to just calculate a bunch of ways your theme will look. So you could have it look this way. It's called Calvin, where your icons show up this way, shows you different aspects. Or I could switch it to Freestyle, which has more of the bubble look. Or I could switch it over to Kawaii if I want to. Or I could choose Sleek. I could choose a Structure. I like Structure. Now the other thing too is you can go in and edit this too. You really can customize it the way you want. So you can go to customize this thing with other wallpapers, with textures, with icons, with sounds and fonts. So you can actually change the fonts if you choose to for all the different ones. But I'm just going to pick Structure, and I'm going to hit next. And I'm going to name this Green Lantern. And that's it. Hit OK. And it's going to repopulate and change my theme, but I now have a brand new theme that matches across the board with my wallpaper. Now, this will work with wallpapers or photos. So this was actually a photo I took. So if I go back to my home screen, boom, there you have it. So I now have that Green Lantern theme that I want with the wallpaper. We can see the icons have changed, the iconology has changed, the fonts have changed also, the background has changed. All that has changed and gone all the way through. So that is what you get with this, and it also gives you a very different look and feel. Now the other aspect, some of the new things you see here, of course, is the camera. As we open up the camera, now the camera UI still takes a lot from your previous version of Sense. You do have the ability, I have a message coming there, you have the ability to customize a lot of things within the camera. You can go in here and add some of this custom change. You can change to the front facing camera, so you guys will see me here. We can switch that. We can also fine tune the face look, make it more polished. We can go back in here, go back to the main camera, or we can swipe left and right to switch. Thank you for reminding me of that. We can go in and take that off, take that on, and you know, you can customize a couple of things there, but not much in terms of change into the camera itself on there. So that is pretty much HTC Sense 7.0. Again, more messages. It really looks and feels like Sense. The main things, of course, are the widget, this new widget area here, some more clean line updates to BlinkFeed. You also do have you know, the new notification area and things like that, but really feels like it really feels like Sense Sense 6.0 to a large degree. Much faster, much smoother. The theme additives are pretty good, and I do like that. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions or any comments, let us know. Otherwise, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and favorite this video so we can make more videos for you. Do subscribe to the channel and always enjoy your entertainment.